Hello guys, welcome back to my another video of how to start your own project. And in today's video, it's going to be part 2 of our backend. And so what are the objectives of today's video? Actually, our front end has not connected to our backend yet, which means that the data that we input into our front end it will begin after we refresh the page. And we don't want that. So in order to save the data that we input to database, we have to connect it to our backend. And the first step we're going to do is to integrate it into the Django, which we have already created in the first part. And so we're going to put it into the Django, and then when we run the web page, it's going to be a real server. It's just like a website, but you can only access on your computer. You know what I mean? It's a local host. If you don't get it, don't worry. I will show you the screen in the last part of our demo, and you will understand and see how it works. So just get straight into the video. Okay, thank you. integration, and I will show you in a moment. Just take a look at it, and I want you to see some different before and after we integrate our front end into our backend. And here, the first thing that I want you to see is that this link. I hope you can see it clearly. It is the IP of our localhost. It works like a domain name. If you don't know what domain name is, you can check it on the internet. But I can give you an example. A domain name is like www.facebook.com. It is a domain name. Okay. And before, when we open our website, web page, you will look like this. It is like an address of our part in the computer. But for this one, it is like a website, a real website. The only difference is that we can only access with this computer. And the next thing is that I have add a click event. When we click on one side of these two sides, it will redirect us to a new page. As you can see, it is a page where we can create our new user, new purchaser. And look at the top left corner, you can see the link also different. See, it more cleaner, much more cleaner than before. Look at this. What is this? See, and it even removed the file name of our website. See, and that's why we want to integrate it into our backend, our Django. So another thing is that here the search. See, it more cleaner. It much more cleaner. And another thing is transaction. I haven't added any event to it yet, but you can access it from this link. See, and it works the same way as the before. Because we haven't added any function to allow it to add the data into our database yet, so we just integrate our front end into our backend. That's all for today. Objective. So let's go to the red one. Okay, as you can see here, we can still add row and calculate the price here. So this is it for our integration, and I hope you get it what it is. And just see you in the next video. Stay home and stay safe. Goodbye.